Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are going to be exploring this brand new, never lived in modern home. It is a single story, open floor plan. Features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And it was actually just recently built. Now it is 2,500 square feet, and the asking price on here is $1,150,000. So today we are here in the city of Las Vegas in the master plan community called Summerlin. As you can see, we have the park right here, then we have a view of the Las Vegas Strip. So the name of this neighborhood is called Savannah. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to Conrad with Realty One. This is his listing, allowing me to do a full video tour of his brand new listing here. This is going to be a gated community, which they have been leaving the gates open because they are still doing construction up here too as well. As you can see, you got the mailbox, you got the nice mountain views. So a lot is going on this neighborhood. So the name of this village in Summerlin is called REDPOINT. Now we've done multiple videos up here with the models, so check that out as well. Also, I forgot to mention this is a 3-car garage. So what you see is what you get today. This home is facing north. The sun exposure here, it's about, I'm gonna say with the time change now, what time is it folks on this lovely Sunday? 3 o'clock, that's right. So by the time you guys watch this video, maybe a little bit later on tonight for you guys. Today is a beautiful day. So let's take a look at this corner lot. As you can see, we have a 3-car garage with some pavers. We have the vegetation. Also, we have this green box. This green box, you'll see this throughout a bunch of neighborhoods here in Las Vegas. And they pretty much, the transformer will serve, I think a total of like 12 homes. So they're kind of scattered all over the place. Alright, as we make our way this little courtyard here, let's take a look. As you can see, we got some beautiful city views, 180 degrees. Take you guys down here to see what we got here. So here's the entry, or the entrance. Right across the street there's the models right there. So as you can see, the block wall has been stuccoed. They did an upgrade on the security gate here. Alright, let's go inside. Let's see what we have. You have a keypad entry. So as we walk down this hallway, we have carpet throughout. Here we go. Birch cabinet, but we're going to start back up on the front here. So we have an 8-foot door, 10-foot ceilings. Then you can see the entryway. We have porcelain tile, 12 by 12. We have a bedroom here. Look at this thermostat, Honeywell. Sierra Air is the contractors here. 2-panel door. So this is one of the bedrooms that's in front of the house. So with this bedroom, we'll only have a pre-wire for a ceiling fan here. So it looks like the home is equipped with sensors for all the windows for the alarms. But obviously that's going to have to be hooked up. 2-panel doors for your closet, standard closet. Now this bedroom shares a Jack and Jill. Now this is a little bit unique. So it looks like the TV is going to go here. So they did the Cat 6 coax Smurf 2, which this is a bad flaw for me because you don't really need a Smurf tube here at this point if you already have your outlets here, right, for your TV. You don't need that Smurf tube. 12 by 12 tile. Definitely upgraded the sink. You got that birch cabinet. I believe this is the standard cabinets. However, the fixtures were an upgrade. You got the core and countertops, undermounted sink, cast iron. You got the Moen faucets. I believe these ones are going to be a little standard here. And the builder is Taylor Morrison. Now this is not a new home built. I mean, it's brand new, but it was already spec'd out by the original owners here. But now it is for sale. You got the fiberglass tub, shower combo. Never been used. You got the ambient lighting here for the mosquitoes. Now I just made that up. That's not what it's for. I'm not too sure what the color is for that. Maybe it's just the mood lighting. So here's the second bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty dark. Come on this side here. Definitely did the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. And again, on this side here, we have the TV outlets and all that stuff right there. Now, I don't know if I mentioned that the price on here is on $1,150,000. Now, what you're really paying for is the location, believe it or not. Things are getting very pricey up here in the Summerlin area. So it looks like your utility closet and also your smart closet. Oh, take a look at that. Give a quick shout out with Acoustics Design System. Okay. And it feels like I'm getting a call. So, let's see who's calling me. Let's see here. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so this was the standard flooring, it looks like. And this is a prime example when they do the tile only in the wet areas. Everything else would be carpet. So this just kind of shows you here, okay? You got a 2-inch front face granite countertop here. Under-mounted sink. They did the standard cabinets, MDFs, staple cabinets. Well, at least they did the undermount glides here versus the side glides. Upgraded the cook countertops. You have a 42 upper cabinets, but it looks like it's missing a 1-inch crown right up there. This is that birch color, upgraded on the backsplash. So it looks like originally what was supposed to go here is basically the double stack oven, or there should have been a conventional microwave right there. Here's kind of like your butler's pantry. Okay. Let's go take a look at this. You got a thermostat there. You got your doorbell and your alarm. 4-can lighting. So this is probably where you're going to be spending most of your time. Here. Because it looks like you have your TV set right here. So it's got like 2 living rooms. Not bad. So let's take a look down this way. Over half bath. Ooh, large laundry room. Definitely did a pre-plumb for the sink there. Cool. You got your attic access right above here. Filters. You got another bedroom right here. Now in this bedroom, it's very unique. They did the 4-can lighting here. And your TV connections here. The reason why they probably did a 4-can lighting here is because you got this high retaining wall here, and basically this room is going to look dark. The other 2 rooms only use a ceiling fan because the light was coming in on the other side. So that was actually pretty smart of them to spec it that way. I don't know if that was on purpose or if that was on accident. But if they did that on purpose, That was very smart. You see how they use the sunrise and the sunset? So we have a 3-car garage here. Now, you see how this garage is one foot deep, right? The reason why it's like that is because originally the foundation, the main living, is right here throughout the whole house. Reason why this garage is low is because the pitch to the garage. So when they come out here and they survey this and they got to run the pitch for the garage, I believe, according to code, from this curb here, has to be 12-inch of a pitch, no more than 12 inches, right? So sometimes when you do build a new home in a tract community like this, sometimes they may have to drop their garage. Sometimes it's level, okay? So just something to keep in mind. This is something that just people are just not aware of, so I want you to be aware of that. But it also gives you more space. But it is kind of awkward when you don't have a level garage. So it's just something to keep in mind, okay? You got the Lift Master, the MyQ app. Now let's go take a look at the primary. It's all carpet throughout here. Pretty large room. If you guys want the dimensions on this, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Looks like we have a third thermostat here. So I don't know if we have 2 air conditioners, 2 zones, or just 1. But we're about to find out. Okay, here we go. Not bad. It's all standard. Definitely missing a handle here. Alright. Take you guys outside. So we'll take a look at this air conditioning unit. If you do buy a home like this, make sure to get with the builder to get the home warranty, especially with the seller too as well. Make sure to get your warranty. Alright, so we've got a little covered patio here. Got some debris. Looks like they added electrical, coax, and the Cat 6. Another outlet right there is actually required. Supposed to have an outlet underneath the covered patio. So the sun's on this side here, as you can see, it's definitely baking. On this side, this lot seems to be big enough to put a pool, which is really nice. You're elevated a little bit higher than your neighbor's yard, so that's good. So as you can see, we only have 1 air conditioning with 3 zones. Now the lot size on here is 6,970 square feet. What's funny, it was actually pretty cold this morning, but now it's just hot. Wind just stopped blowing. Now HOAs on here are going to be $68 a month. Master $55. You got SIDS and LIDs with a balance about $17,500. You'll make an annual payment roughly about $1,200 a month. I mean, $1,200 a year till it's paid off. Earnest money deposit is $20,000. Guys, let me know what you think about this property. What changes would you do? Right? Could you see yourself living here? Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat, your licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas. Be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.